NeoTech Process, where next-gen factories, robotics, and sci-fi engineering come to life.
High above a storm-racked world, an orbital forge prepares a machine that will move civilizations.
Inside this stellar factory, Nova-hardened panels are born to skin the colossal HyperNova Jet Hauler.
In the far distance, the sky tears open as a city-sized shape climbs straight through storms. Lightning slams its hull, yet every bolt crawls harmlessly along, swallowed by the hauler's shimmering skin.
Beneath vast wings, supported by sapphire exhaust, entire habitats and factory modules hang like obedient constellations.
This is the HyperNova Jet Hauler, its bones forged in artificial stars to lift millions of tons.
To move whole worlds, humanity desires logistics beyond ships and freighters, hiding the answer in the hauler's skin.
Creating that skin demands stellar conditions on the factory floor, inside titanic reactors called stellar heat tanks.
Far above a stormy ocean, a ring-shaped facility glows as raw asteroid metals and cometary carbon arrive continuously.
Humming containers of hydrogen, helium-3, and noble gases join them, all funneled inward as perfectly measured stellar fuel.
Inside refinement bays, ores are crushed, purified, and streamed as molecularly perfect feeds into gleaming conduits. At the facility's heart, colossal toroidal chambers hover in magnetic cages, awaiting transformation into blazing stellar heat tanks.
A cycle begins as a chamber falls silent and dark, then ignites. Superconducting coils slam fields together, forcing hydrogen and helium-3 into fusion, birthing a balanced micronova.
Prepared metal streams inject into the inferno, vaporizing instantly into churning, luminous plasma that erases familiar bonds. Gravitational lensing arrays fold the plasma inward, while electromagnetic storms and trace dopants sculpt future crystal lattices. Fields flip, the star dies sideways, temperatures plunge as shockwaves hammer cooling matter into disciplined, ordered structure. This nova hardening yields kilometer-long ribbons of metallic glass, each encoded with self-healing boundaries for unimaginable loads. Robotic arms feed these ribbons into shaping halls, where programmable gravity sculpts invisible valleys through open air.
Swarms of precision robots weave and tension panels while ultrasonic forges sing, encoding how each surface will flex and carry stress. Simulations fly the future hauler through storms thousands of times, tailoring every panel to behave like responsive living muscle.
Finished sheets emerge impossibly light, edges glowing with nanofilaments, then glide along magnetic conveyors toward assembly line 0.
In a cathedral-like dock, Nova-hardened beams form the spine, held aloft by humming inertia-null rigs. Visible force cranes, swarming microdrones, and phase welders align segments and erase seams until the frame becomes continuous. Panels arrive like silent gliders, cushioning on magnetism, then sinking as molecular anchors fuse living skin to bone.
Now the fused skin senses and transmits, ready to carry force.
Inside, modular decks unfold, honeycomb cargo floors, maglev rails, adaptive shock struts, and
Along the wings and tail, engine nacelles iris open, revealing hypercompression fans and deep-throated fusion cores.
supercooled magnetic nozzles and vector plates shape plasma exhaust into steerable columns, promising impossible control under load.
At the heart sits the hauler core, a synthetic nervous system lacing fibers and sensors through every surface. It feels gusts as they form, preflexing wings and retuning microgeometry so the entire craft breathes with storms.
Systems align. Fuel flows and containment fields hum in.
Engines rise from silence to a low, building tone. Air bends and the ground trembles gently beneath.
Inertia-null rigs release, the hauler hangs for a heartbeat, then rises on sapphire columns of exhaust.
Test flights push it hard. Violent turns, searing high-altitude runs, and storm dives, while
Nova-hardened panels flex like living muscle, distributing stress exactly as predicted. the HyperNova earns its role as workhorse. Decades later, haulers deliver orbital-printed megastructures and entire powered cities, setting them gently onto new worlds. They reposition ocean platforms, flood walls, and giant telescopes, while frontier colonies receive complete infrastructures from single landings. Nova-hardened technology filters down into smaller craft and buildings as fleets of haulers cross horizons like slow constellations.
We have taught a dying star's heart to carry our burdens. The HyperNova Jet Hauler moves the future. If you enjoy the video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more.